Balugay. And stolen again. Asuncion. Easy 2. Out number 3. Number 25 drives to the hoops. Bullseye. First blood. He spins. He spin again. Buff at the glass. Using the screen. Pull up jumper at the free throw area. Bucket. Welcome to Ilocos Norte CFAM 2024 Burgos versus Lawag City. First ball possession, Burgos. And attacks, kicks out, number 3. Number 25 drives to the hoops. Bullseye, first blood. With the ball. He attacks. He stop. Cross pass. Pull up jumper at the corner. No good. Rebound and a putback. Still no good. And here the floater shot. Yes, sir. Number 7. Pass to number 31 to number 7. He's at the top. Pull up jumper at the wings. Yes, sir. To Damaso. Damaso is slowly dribbling the ball between the legs. He goes to the middle. He goes to the wings. And he's stolen away. Balungay. He pass. Fires. Easy 2. Asuncion. Waiting for his teammates. He goes to the baseline. He stopped the bounce pass. Damaso backdoor inbound. And he passed to Asuncion. Open for 3. He launched. In and out. Battle for the rebound. Hook shot. And a putback shot. Bucket for 2. Balungay. And here's to the middle. Setting the play. Garcia to number 25. Litao falling away. No good. Rebound and a putback shot. Back. Rebound Damaso. Di diskarte. Atake. He spins. He attacks. He spin again. Buff at the glass. Klase idol eh. Ginulat mo eh. And here's Damaso. No look pass. And again. Oh, the triangle pass. Garcia crosses the mid lane. He's at the top. Between the legs, setting the play. Sisinyas dito. He launches on long 3. Deep 3. Bang! And Damaso. Lumipad. Minekos-mekos sa taas. Yes, sir. Balungay. He stopped the bounce pass. Fakes. Inside pass. Step back to the middle. Balungay is there to save the ball. Natapikan, stolen. Fast break and all alone. Romero with the easy bucket. Soriano to Damaso. Drives to the baseline. Pinabitin pa ni Damaso. And he goes. Stolen again Damaso. Step back. Bumalik pa off the window. Uy! Grabe. And it's number 25 Litao. He passes to Garcia. Garcia is stopped. He passes to Balugay. And he's stolen again. Asuncion. Easy 2. And here's Balugay against Asuncion. And drives Litao. Yes, sir. Soriano. Between the legs. Using the screen. He attacks. For 3. Short. Rebound. Fakes. Oh! Grabe naman yung... And to the middle. Bounce pass. Inside pass. Stolen. Here's Soriano. He pass. Corner. Damaso pull up J. Bullseye. And Palalay pass to Palangay. Litao. Bounce pass to Balugay. And Litao using the screen. Pull up jumper at the free throw area. Bucket. Palalay sa 3. Bang! Palalay. And rebound. 1 bounce. Kicks out. Inside pass. Fires off the window. Manny. And Palalay. Crossover move. Pass to the wings. Oh! And spins. Stolen. Bumawi ang idol. And pass. Here comes number 8. Sinagasaan. Bucket for 2. Damaso. Attacks, crossover, sidestep, inside pass. Fires off the window, yes sir. And Romero with the steal. He pass, no look pass to the corner, yes sir. Back to. And Alog. Alog bounce pass to the middle. Stolen away. Here's Palalay. Lumipad sa aero, too strong. Rebound, put back off the window. Manny. Romero is top at the logo pero walang logo. And Romero pass inside. Natapikan, spins. And a pass break. Binit-bit ni Palalay. Oop. And here's Palalay. Attack, bounce pass. Hook shot. Very good. Rebound Damaso. Pass break. Here's Romero. Goes in. Yes, sir. And number 3. Inside pass. Picks. Oh, stolen. Romero. And pass to Asuncion. Asuncion to the hoops. Easy to Asuncion. Palalay. High pass. Pass back Palalay. Inside pass to the middle. Picks. Oh! Oh! Sanggap! Damaso attacks. Pull up J. Yes sir. Damaso. Garcia to Balungay. Garcia. To the middle. To Balungay. Open for long to. Bucket. Balungay. And yung pass. Perfect. Garcia. Garcia. Pass. Oop. Stolen. Here's Damaso. Damaso. He pass. Easy bucket. And here's Litao. Bounce pass. Floater. Yes sir. Asuncion. Against Litao. Cross pass. Damaso. Inside pass. Fars of the window. Yes sir. And again, nag-dive. Grabing tira yun. Damaso. Bounce pass. Pass back. Litao. Step back. Corner. Balungay inside pass na libre. Easy to. And here is number 3. Pass to the middle. Goes inside. Stolen by Damaso. And Damaso. Pass inside. Kumaldag. Fires. Basket and 1. And sa gitna. Crossover move. Number 7. Garcia. Use the screen. To the hoops. No good. Behind the back dribble. And attacks. Fires. Follow-up shot, yes. And pass break. High pass. Damaso. Muntik ng dunk yun ha. Sinaus. And isa, oops. Nag-dive pass. Fires off the window, yes sir. Damaso. Using the screen. Pull-up jumper. Bullseye. Damaso. Garcia against Asuncion. Garcia. Sumigsag. Umatake. He pass. Hook shot. Bucket. To the middle, libreng-libre oh. Easy to dribble the ball. Uy! Agawan. Lace. Oop. Rebound. Wala. Against two defender. Damaso. Oop. No look pass. 4-3. Short. And diniwan. Garcia. Behind the back pass. Stolen. And here's 32 lace, easy bucket. And Palalay. Bounce pass to number 13 to Palalay. Palalay, corner 3. Litao, no good rebound. Ooh, Filipino step. Damaso, he's at the top, dribbling the ball against Garcia. He used the screen. He pass inside. Ang ganda namang pick nun. Here's Tim Burgos. Long pass. Bucket for 2 of the glass. And here's Palalay. Attack to the rim. Nilipat po eh. And pass break. Nahabol oh. Bakit pa? Litao. Litao crossover move using the screen. Spins. Pass inside. Fires off the window. Manny. Damaso between the legs. Crossover iniwan. And Cross pass. Corner 3. Short. Rebound. Fires. Basket and one. Tinamalin away. Palalay. Bounce pass. Lim. Uy! Tatlo laban sa isa yun, oh. And Dama solo umipad. Posterize. Yes. Romero pass. At the wings sa tres. Short. And rebound Rio. One bounce. Fires. Basket and one. Clock. Long three. Number 7. Pass to number 25, Litao. Litao using the screen. To the corner, the floater. Bucket. Baseball pass. Romero. Lace. Easy to. Garcia. Attacks. Balungay. Inside pass. Fires. Yes, sir. Soriano. Pass to the middle. Pass to Soriano. Inside pass. Fires to the glass. Yes, sir. And pass inside. Pull up J. Bucket. Romero. Bounce pass. Pull up jumper. Bucket. Litao. Natapikan. Stolen. And his easy bucket. Pass back. Garcia di distansya. Kicks out sa tres. Bang! Nothing but crossover. Stolen. Number 24. Sa gitna. Bucket. Balungay. Pull up jumper. Bucket. Romero. Pass to the middle. And here's Soriano to the middle. Yes, sir. Soriano. Corpus. Another three. Bang! Corpus. And binangga. Floater. Yes, sir. And dribble the ball. He pass. For 3. Short. Rebound. Put back. Bucket. Bang! 3 point. Balungay, pull up J. Yes, sir. Balungay. Congratulations, Lawag City. Undefeated.